I'm off for the Choctaw Nation. Where's Marshal Cogburn?
Went away. Left this,
Here inside is a train ticket for your return home. Use it. By the time you read this, I will be across the river in the Indian Nation. Pursuit would be futile. I will return with your man Cheney. Leave me to my work, Reuben Cogburn.
Is that Marshal Cogburn?
That is the man.
Who's he with?
I do not know.
Well, take me across.
So, you're the runaway. Marshal told me you'd show up. I'm to present you to the sheriff.
That is a story. Let go of my horse. I have business across the river. If you don't turn around and take me across, you may find yourself in court where you don't want to be. I have a good lawyer.
Hey!
Go, little Blackie. Come on.
That is quite a horse. I will give you $10 for him.
From the money you stole from me?
I was not stolen. I'm out for your man.
I was to accompany you. If I do not, there's no agreement and my money was stolen.
Marshal, put this child back on the ferry. It's a long road and time is a waste.
If I go back, it is to the U.S. Marshal's office to report the theft of my money. And futile, Marshal Cogburn. Pursuit would be futile. It's not spelled F-U-D-E-L.
It is time for your spanking. Now you will do as the grown-ups say, or I will get myself a birch switch and stop your leg.
Are you going to let him do this, Marshal?
No, I don't believe it will. Put your switch away, the beef.
I aim to finish what I started.
It'll be the biggest mistake you ever made, you Texas brush popper.
Hoorawed by a little girl